Hello everyone, this is Belle from Woxo. Welcome once again to another episode of use case / integrations by Woxo, Zapier, and some other cool integrations. So for today on the menu we have Shopify, Google Sheets, Twitter, Zapier, and Woxo videos, of course. So if this sounds interesting, make sure to subscribe, and we're always looking for new use cases and ideas, inspirations, comments, the good, the bad, the everything. Drop your comments and suggestions down below. Now, let's go. So what we're gonna be creating today is a video as the one you see in here. So it's a product video. We're gonna be taking the information from our store on Shopify and turn them into these lovely videos to publish on Twitter. Basically, what we're gonna do is, if you go to the product section on Shopify, you get to this page. What you need to do here is just click on export. On export, you select the all products, and you're gonna export it as a CSV for Excel, Number, and other programs. Once we have the exported file, what we're going to do is copy it into Google Sheets file. So I copied all in the raw data. But what it interested me was this column right here that has like all the images. It is what I use here. Then I just added some copy. This was a cool template made by Jose. What I also did was add this column that it's a date. Why? Well, now it's where the fun part begins. Let's go to Zapier and create a new Zap. And in here, we're gonna trigger an event that's called everyday. So this is gonna happen every day, even weekends at 8 a.m. And what it's gonna do is just like, if it's looking and it finds a date, like from today's date, that matches one of these, it's gonna take the information from there. And what we're gonna do is, as you know, the custom request. We're gonna fill all this beautiful information. So make sure you have all this matching with the structure in here. Just give them access with your token. You know where you find it. You can find it. We're gonna add a 2-minute delay for the editor to do its magic, and then we're gonna get the code. We get a success code. You can combine information from one step to the other. So here we get a success code. We have to add the headers as well, and then you can connect any social media you want. In this case, I chose Twitter, so I just choose the account, sync everything, and then when I set up the action, I just need to add text, some hashtags in there, just like daily updates from Woxo, and we paste the download link we get from step number 5. Once we're here, I just tested it out and it looks kind of awesome. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments or suggestions, just write us down, and hope to see you soon for more Woxian episodes. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Product type, but what it interested me. So every day, yeah, redundant. To give like a bit of a sense of awareness and a daily websites.